Today I would like to show you a couple of EQs that I have been using on my master bus lately. Let's listen to what we have. The first one is HM2 by Kush Audio. I am going to boost 50 Hz, a couple of dBs. We're using it in stereo mode, by the way. We will slightly cut our highs a little bit and boost our high mids, and let's listen to it. Here is before. After. The second one I would like to show you is Amber 3 by Acoustica Audio. And let's listen to it. Before. After. Try it and let me know what you think.